Hey there, music enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks on promoting your music online. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: how to use targeted ads to effectively promote your music. So, if you're an aspiring artist looking to reach your target audience and increase your online presence, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly define what targeted ads are. Targeted ads are online advertisements that are strategically shown to a specific group of people based on their demographics, interests, behavior, or other relevant factors. These ads help you reach the right audience, increasing the chances of connecting with potential fans and listeners who are more likely to engage with your music. Step 1 is to define your target audience. Understanding who your music resonates with and who your ideal fans are is crucial. Start by asking yourself a few key questions. What genre is your music? Who would be interested in listening to your songs? What age group, geographic location, and interests do they have? The more specific you can be, the better you can tailor your ads to reach the right people. Some text goes here. Step 2 is choosing the right ad platform. While there are many options available, we'll focus on two popular platforms: YouTube ads and Facebook ads. YouTube ads allow you to showcase your music videos as pre-roll or mid-roll ads, while Facebook ads offer targeted placements within the Facebook and Instagram ecosystems. Both platforms have powerful targeting capabilities, so choose the one that aligns best with your target audience and budget. Some text goes here. Step 3 is all about creating compelling ad content. Your ad needs to grab attention and make people want to click, listen, and discover more about your music. Here are a few tips to make your ad stand out. Keep it concise. Keep your ad short and to the point. Capture your audience's attention within the first few seconds. Showcase your music. Feature a snippet of your best song or music video. Let the music speak for itself and showcase your unique style. Visual appeal. Use high-quality visuals that resonate with your target audience. Consider including vibrant colors, captivating imagery, or footage that matches the mood of your music. Call to action. Include a clear call to action, such as stream now, subscribe, or follow. Encourage viewers to take the next step and engage with your music. Step 4 involves setting up targeting parameters for your ads. This is where the magic happens. Both YouTube ads and Facebook ads offer extensive targeting options. You can refine your audience based on demographics like age, gender, and location. Additionally, you can target users with specific interests, music genres, or related artists. This level of granularity allows you to reach the right people who are most likely to appreciate your music. Step 5 is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of your ads. Monitor, analyze, and optimize. Keep a close eye on the performance of your ads. Check important metrics like click-through rates, CTRs, conversions, and engagement. Identify which ads are performing well and resonating with your audience. Then, optimize your ads accordingly. Experiment with different visuals, ad formats, or targeting parameters to see what works best for you. Last but not least, step 6 is budgeting and scheduling. Determine how much you're willing to invest in your ad campaigns and set a daily or campaign budget accordingly. Keep in mind that consistency is key, so it's often more effective to run ads consistently over time rather than in short bursts. Experiment with different budget allocations and ad scheduling to find the right balance for your goals. And there you have it, music lovers, our guide to using targeted ads to promote your music online. Remember, targeting the right audience and creating captivating ad content are the pillars of successful ad campaigns. Combine that with continuous monitoring, analysis, and optimization, and you'll be well on your way to expanding your reach and growing your fanbase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more music promotion tips. Also, let us know in the comments below if you've tried targeted ads before and what your experience was like. Until next time, keep creating amazing music and promoting it to the world. See you soon.